Hey everyone, welcome back to the newest video of mine, and I hope all of you are doing good. So, guys, welcome back to Self Care Club, and of course, we have to keep ourselves first. We are the priority, guys. So, today's video is very special once again because it's about the discussion on the topics I mentioned in my last video. Things I have to do in January, and yes, I am working on it. Yes, guys, I'm working on it. And you know what? I have finally decided the book I have to read in this month of January, which is A Gentle Reminder. And after doing a very deep research, I got to know this book, which is all about self love and how to take care of ourselves first, how to keep ourselves on priority, and how to maintain the boundaries, all about self love, because we are here to work on ourselves and to love ourselves more and more. So, guys, this is the final book I have decided. Once I'll finish this book, I'm gonna discuss all the points in the video for sure. And let's come to the second thing, which is an outfit. Yes, guys, if you have seen my last video, I have discussed that in the month of January, I have to dress myself up in a dress or an outfit I have never worn in my life. And also I have always kind of decided in my mind that I have to dress up like this. I always have imagined myself, but in real picture or in real life, I have never worn that kind of outfit. Even I swear I don't even have those things in my wardrobe. So finally I have ordered, and I'm gonna attach the pictures in this video so that you can also see it before I'm going to wear it. I just want you also to imagine yourself in the outfit you have always imagined but never thought of buying it, or you have never thought of like actually wearing it. So I really want you guys that if you have ever imagined yourself in any sort of outfit you have seen on someone, or you have imagined on yourself, or you have seen in Pinterest, just guys, this is the real time to just buy it. No matter how do you look right now, your body structure, I know most of the time we think when we have the perfect body or we have the perfect hairs, only then we're gonna wear it. But no, guys, I just really want you. This is the perfect time. Just buy it and try on yourself. Click pictures, go out somewhere with your friends, and just enjoy this time because who knows it's gonna come back or no. So yes, guys. So let's talk about the outfit in details. It took like 3 days to just decide this outfit. Though I had this kind of imagination in my mind कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा पहनना है. But you know, when you really are buying that kind of stuff, then you start imagining yourself probably in that kind of stuff. Which color will look more prettier on me? And actually, मुझे थोड़ा light color ही पसंद है, so I just started with the light colors only. So guys, it's time to check the outfit. So guys, I bought this simple yet fashionable classy top. It's giving some sort of fashionable vibes, but yet it's very simple as you can see in the picture. So I bought this one, and I'm matching this top with the high waist flare jeans. So you can see the picture here, and this is the first outfit I made. You know what? There is a one twist. I actually didn't wanted this kind of outfit. This is some sort of simple outfit which I think I already have in my wardrobe because मैं ऐसा पहनती हूँ. In normal days I usually have more kind of straight jeans, high waist jeans, straight leg jeans. So I already have this kind of outfit. But the real outfit is this one. The skirt with the leggings, the transparent leggings, yet they are warm, with the boots which I have never worn in my life. Yes, guys, these kind of boots, long boots, I have never worn in my life, and this will be the first addition to my wardrobe. I hope it looks good. Then I am going to wear it with the winter jacket, or you can say the winter coat. The icing on the cake, I would say, because the whole outfit will not look as good if you talk about the weather in winters as it will gonna look with the addition of this beige coat. So yeah, guys, that's the outfit, and I'm really excited for for all the points I discussed in the last video I have to do in the January. It's not just these two things, that the book and the outfit, but there is also other things. For that you have to go and check my things to do in January, which I'm really excited. So from today I have to start working on my points, and I'm really excited about the outfit, about the yoga, about the book reading, about the snow video. Guys, please hit that subscribe button and let's make this group bigger and bigger, because I really want all of us should prioritize ourselves and love ourselves more. So guys, see you on the next video. Hope you are doing good, you're loving yourself more. If not, it's a gentle reminder you should start loving yourself more. Bye guys, take care and have a good day.